Good morning and welcome to the MMS Morning Bulletin.
Wait, it's not morning anymore, right?
Oh yeah, good evening and welcome to the MMS Open House.
Tonight's periods are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Wait, we have to go to all of our classes? We're going to be here all night.
We're not going to be here all night. It's only open house, so each class is only like 7 minutes long.
Wait, really? I wish every day was like tonight.
Honestly, I agree with you, but there's only enough time for our parents to hear an introduction from our teachers and take a look around the classes that we work so hard in every day.
So parents, remember, although our teachers would love to talk to all of you, to be fair to all of our teachers and parents who would like to hear from our teachers, when the bell rings, please move on to your next class. All the teachers will let you know how you can contact them if you want more information. Don't be late for your next period.
And now for our special announcements. Let's hear a little from our hosts.
Good evening, Mustang Ohana. This is Mrs. Moss welcoming you guys to our open house. Parents, please ask questions, take a look around, witness what your kids are doing, and walk in their shoes for tonight. We welcome all of you onto our campus and cannot wait to see all of your faces. Here's Mr. Nakata.
Hey, good evening, parents. I'm Greg Nakata, Vice Principal. I'm actually in charge of 7th grade, so welcome 7th grade families. So hopefully we can meet tonight. Students, make sure you escort your parents to the right classes. Yes, you don't need your uniforms or ID tonight. Here's Miss Murashige.
Good evening, Mustangs. Welcome to Open House. I'm Heather Murashige, one of your vice principals here at Moanalua Middle School. I'm so excited because I see tonight as an opportunity to build bridges between home and school. And it truly lives this year's school's theme of Ho'ohana, working together with intention and purpose. So we welcome all of you to the campus today. I look forward to getting out there and saying hello to all of you. So if you see me, come up and say hello.
Afternoon. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Del Peralta. I am the School Administrative Services Assistant here. I'd like to introduce to you to my staff of the office.
Hi, I'm Miss K. I help with bus situations, bus passes, anything you have to do with bus.
Hi, I'm Miss Joy, and I do attendance. Come to school, okay, guys? Don't be late.
Hi, I'm Miss Jackie. I'm the account clerk.
Hi, I'm Miss Jody.
Hi, Mr. West.
Hi, I'm Miss Tracy.
Hi, I'm Miss Kim.
Hi, I'm Miss Casey.
Hi, I'm Miss Renita.
Hi, I'm Miss Cece.
Hi, Miss Josie.
Hi, my name is Jan Wang, the Student Service Coordinator, and we are your Student Support Staff.
Hi, I'm Miss Krista. I'm the Student Health Aide. I'm in the health room, and if you ever get hurt, come and see me.
Hi guys, my name is Kylie and I am Moanalua Middle School's Military Family Life Counselor, also known as an MFLAC, and my role here is to help transitions and kind of just be a friendly face on campus for anybody who might need to talk.
Hi, my name is Ruby Bure and I'm the 7th grade counselor.
Aloha everybody, Miss Arakaki, 8th grade counselor. And Miss Lau couldn't be with us today, but she is our programs and outreach counselor. If you want to join A4L, other activities like that, you go and you talk to her. You can find us all in the office.
Hello and welcome. I'm Miss Lee, the registrar, and I take care of academic files and scheduling.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Choi. While your teachers build your knowledge in the classroom, I'm here to help you connect, celebrate, and build memories outside of it. As your student activities coordinator, I organize our clubs, plan spirit weeks, run assemblies, and put together events to turn our school into a fun community where everyone belongs.
Hi, students and parents. My name is Julia Mew.
And I'm Lani Arakaki.
And we are your curriculum coordinators. I oversee math and science.
And I oversee English, Language Arts, and Social Studies.
We are also your testing coordinators, so we will oversee the universal screeners that are done 3 times a year, and at the end of the year when we do our Hawaii State assessments. So you will get emails from us reminding students about those testing dates.
Aloha, my name is Donnie Ma'a, and I'm part of the safety and security team.
Aloha, I'm Mr. Chris. I'm also part of the security team.
Hi, and I'm Miss Sapphire. I am also part of the safety and security team here at Moanalua Middle School. We help keep your students safe and secure in school and also here if they need us.
Aloha, have a good day. Hi, I'm Mr. Derek. I'm the School Food Services Manager, and we're here to provide you guys with nutritious meals.
Hi, I'm Robbie Woldridge. I'm the cook here at Moanalua Middle, and cook the food that you eat every day.
Hi, my name is Wes. I'm the custodian. This is Arturo, Ralph, and Jimmy. We are your custodial staff here at Moanalua Middle.
Wow, I'm glad they introduced themselves. I see them every day, but I can never remember their names.
Thank you for tuning in tonight.
Have a great day!